Hello guys and welcome back to my channel German with Julia. In today's video we are going to learn the alphabet. And you might ask, why is it so important to learn the alphabet? Why not just skip the alphabet and learn the words? We save so much time, right? I would say no, because reason number one, if you know the correct sound of each letter, you can pronounce the word correctly or right. And if you can pronounce the word or words correctly, people will understand your message, will understand what are you talking about. And that is very important, right? And reason number two, why you should learn the alphabet. One letter, if you don't pronounce the letter in the right way or correctly, can change the meaning of the word. I give you some examples. Now listen if you can spot the difference. Apfel, Äpfel. Apfel, Äpfel. Can you hear the difference? One means an apple, Apfel, in a singular, and the second means Äpfel, the apples, which is in plural. Apple and apples. Apfel, Äpfel. Now, if you make a mistake here, people will still understand you're talking about the apple or apples, the fruit. So this is okay. I give you another example. Listen carefully. Ich wurde or ich würde. Wurde, würde. You hear the difference? Ich wurde means I was. You are talking about the past. And würde means, for example, ich würde gern means I would like to. So you are asking for something in the present moment. I give you one more example. See if you can spot the difference here. Hatte, hätte. Ich hatte, ich hätte. Hatte means I had. Again, you're talking about the past. I had something, I had, ich hatte. And ich hätte gern, for example, ich hätte, means I would like to have. Again, one simple sound can change the meaning of the message of your sentence, right? So those are the reasons you need to learn the alphabet, so the sounds of the letters are correct, and then you can read and pronounce the words correctly, so the message, what you want to talk or say to people, is understood. Now, I'm gonna say the alphabet twice. First time you just listen, and second time I will invite you to listen and repeat after me so we can practice the sounds of the letters. Okay, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. Now don't forget we have a special letter which is called SZ or scharfes S. It looks like this. So sometimes we use this S in our writing. And we have 3 more special sounds. We call them Umlauten. We have 3. The first one is A umlaut, the sound of which is Ä, U umlaut, Ü, and O umlaut, Ö. So in total we have 26 letters, 1 special letter which look like this, and 3 umlauten, total 30. Okay, now let's do the alphabet second time. Now this time you listen and repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome. Now we have learned the alphabet in this video. You know that it's important to learn the alphabet. And thank you for watching. If you like my channel, click the like button, subscribe to my videos. And I hope to see you soon. Take care. Tschüss.